नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
So let us cover eigenvalues and eigenvectors in this class. So first we will see what do you mean by eigenvalues. Eigenvalues are also called as characteristic roots, or it is also called as latent roots. All the three mean the same. So the roots of the characteristic equation. How do you find out the characteristic equation? That is determinant of A minus lambda I. Always remember, determinant of A minus lambda I is characteristic equation. And roots of this characteristic equation are called as eigenvalues or characteristic roots. Or latent roots. And how do we represent it? They are represented as lambda 1, lambda 2, so on. Lambda 1, lambda 2, so on up to lambda n. So this is the definition of eigenvalues. Now let us see what do you mean by eigenvectors. Eigenvectors are also called as characteristic vectors. Or also called as latent vectors. Let us say A is equal to Aij, where I belongs to the ith row and jth column. Okay, so this represents an n by n matrix. N by n means square matrix. Square matrix means where number of rows is equal to number of columns. So a non-zero vector x is said to be characteristic vector or latent vector or an eigenvector of a matrix A if there exists a scalar lambda such that Ax is equal to lambda x, where x and A are matrices and lambda is a scalar. Lambda is nothing but eigenvalue. Now let us take a question. We'll see how to find the eigenvalues of the matrix. So first let us write the given matrix. So let A is equal to 4, 2, minus 2, minus 5, 3, 2, minus 2, 4, 1. Now, the characteristic equation of A. How to find out the characteristic equation of A? It is given by a formula. Determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Now determinant of what is A? A is 4, 2, minus 2, minus 5, 3, 2, minus 2, 4, 1, minus lambda into what is I? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I is identity matrix is equal to 0. Now if you subtract this, you will get 4 minus lambda 2 minus 2 minus 5 3 minus lambda 2 minus 2 4 1 minus lambda. is equal to 0. Now, we need to expand this determinant. So, as you know how to expand the determinant, first you write 4 minus lambda, then cross multiply this. 3 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda minus 8. Now, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So, we take minus 2. Now, we have to cross multiply the corners. So, minus 5, we multiply with 1 minus lambda. Minus of minus 4 will become plus 4. Now, minus 2 into, now let's cross multiply this. Minus 20 plus 2 into 3 minus lambda. This is how we expand the determinant. Now, 4 minus lambda into, if you multiply those two brackets inside, you will get 3 minus 4 lambda plus lambda square minus 8. Now minus 2 into minus 5 plus 5 lambda plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 20 plus 6 minus 2 lambda equals to 0. Now here 4 minus lambda into lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 5. Minus 2 into 5 lambda minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 lambda minus 14 is equal to 0. Now you open the brackets, you will get 4 lambda square minus 16 lambda minus 20 minus lambda cube plus 4 lambda square plus 5 lambda. Now multiply this into this, minus 10 lambda plus 2. Now multiply this into this, plus 4 lambda plus 28 is equal to 0. Now we will simplify the terms. So you will get minus lambda cube plus 8 lambda square minus 17 lambda minus 10. Always make sure first term should be positive. So we take minus common. Lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 17 lambda plus 10 equals to 0. Now if you use scientific calculator, to solve this cubic equation, you will get lambda is equal to 5, 2 and 1. So therefore you can say that the eigenvalues are 5, 2 and 1. So this is the way to find eigenvalues. Take the next question. Find the eigenvalues of the following system. 8x minus 4y is equal to lambda x. 2x plus 2y is equal to lambda y. First, let us write the given equations. So, given equations are 8x minus 4y is equal to lambda x. Then 2x plus 2y is equal to lambda y. Now, these equations can be rewritten as 8 minus lambda. Now I am bringing all the right hand side terms to left hand side and then I am taking x common. So I got 8 minus lambda into x minus 4y is equal to 0. And in the second equation, if we bring lambda y this side and if you take y common, you will get 2x plus 2 minus lambda into y equals to 0. Let's say this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now, how can you write these equations in matrix form? Equations 1 and 2 can be written in matrix form. How can you write this? A is equal to determinant 8 minus lambda minus 4. 2, 2 minus lambda. So this is already in characteristic form. It is in the form that A minus lambda I is 0. Okay, so now How do you write the characteristic equation? Simply you have to take that A is equal to 0. So you cross multiply this, you will get 8 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So open the brackets, you will get 16 minus 8 lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square plus 8 is 0. So lambda square minus 10 lambda plus 24 is 0. If you use scientific calculator, you will get 4 and 6. Or if you don't have scientific calculator, you can split the middle term. How can you split? So lambda square, middle term minus 10 lambda, we can split as minus 6 lambda minus 4 lambda plus 24 equals to 0. Lambda common, lambda minus 6. Minus 4 common, lambda minus 6. Again lambda minus 6 common, so lambda minus 6 into lambda minus 4 is 0. So lambda values are 4, 6. Take the next question. If the sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix is 10, then find K. So first let us write the given matrix. What is the given matrix? Given matrix is A is equal to 1, 4, 5, 0, K, 2, minus 1, 2, 2K. Now what is the characteristic equation? Characteristic equation is given by the formula that A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So that is that 1 minus lambda 4, 5, 0, K minus lambda 2, minus 1, 2, 2K minus lambda. Now here lambda is also unknown, K is also unknown. So in this case, we won't expand the determinant. What do? We find trace. Trace of the equation is, trace means add all the principal diagonal elements. This and this. You add it and equate it to 0. So 1 minus lambda plus K minus lambda plus 2K minus lambda is equal to 0. So you will get lambda, that is minus 3 lambda plus so instead of doing like this, if we categorize it like 1 minus lambda, K minus lambda, 2 minus lambda is 0. From here we will get eigenvalues. Eigenvalues are lambda is equal to 1, K, 2K. Now what is given to us? Sum of eigenvalues. Sum of eigenvalues is 10 given. That means add all the eigenvalues and equate it to 10. So 3K is equal to 9. So K is equal to 3. We got K value from here.